Tony, we're over here at 918 Fullerton. We're taking some pictures, but we figured this video walkthrough would give you more of an insight. So Mike here from SNH can explain what's going on.
So we believe that there's a leak coming in from here that's causing the pipes, copper pipes, straight up from the main, coming all the way from underneath the floor, going up to the bathroom. Once we rip these floors out, we'll determine the problem. But you can tell already the decolorization right here. All of this.
See it right there? All right.
Okay.
And then the bigger problem, Tony, is going to be over here by the
This
kitchen.
is the mechanical room for the association and the laundry room. And the biggest issue is that we're running into all of this mold right here, the rotted wood. The hot water tank, we believe, is leaking from the mechanical room, so we're going to need to get access.
Right
Yep.
there. Yep.
We're going to need to get access from to get into the mechanical room and notify the association so we can get this all replaced. And you can tell that the mold is coming up to the second floor.
But the largest of the problem, Tony, that's minor,
Well,
is back here.
okay, let me get over here. I'll move these boards around for you guys.
So Tony, these subfloor boards were never nailed down. See how those move?
There's no header, and they're literally floating. That's why the floors came out the way they did, and that's why they're slanted, because they literally were never nailed down from the beginning.
And we really had no way of knowing that until we pulled all this up.
Exactly.
So like, you know, on the initial BPO or the initial, we had no way of knowing that, Tony. So that's where we're at. We'll send this over some pictures.